The key messages are for women to know that heart disease is their leading killer. Currently, only 52% of women are aware, and many believe that they're immune from heart disease or it's just a man's disease. The second message is to know that it's 80 to 90% preventable. We don't have any other disease that's that preventable. The third is the importance of adopting heart-healthy lifestyles and following Life Simple Sevens. So that means keeping blood pressure under 120/80, keeping cholesterol under 200, being physically active at least 150 minutes a week, avoiding obesity and keeping your weight down, having a heart-healthy diet, managing diabetes, and then not smoking. So it's important for women to know the symptoms of a heart attack and not to ignore them. They can be more subtle in women than men. So any pressure or discomfort in the chest area, it can radiate to the neck or the jaw. The shoulders, the arms, or the hands can be associated with shortness of breath, sweating, nausea, dizziness. You don't have to have all of the symptoms. You can have some of the symptoms, but they should make you think about possibility of having a heart attack. And the correct thing to do is call 911 because a heart attack is obviously a medical emergency, and 911 gets emergency care to you.